Join me as I dive into the future of FDX stock and try to predict what's next for it. Fedex, or FDX, has been a household name in the logistics and transportation industry for decades. With its global reach and diverse range of services, it's no wonder that investors and analysts alike are always keeping a close eye on its stock performance. Recently, we've seen some significant developments in the company's operations, including the expansion of its e-commerce capabilities and its efforts to navigate the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Competition is always a major challenge for any company, and FDX is no exception. With the rise of e-commerce, new players have entered the market, offering innovative and often cheaper solutions for consumers. This increased competition has put pressure on FDX to adapt and evolve its services to stay competitive. Additionally, the ongoing pandemic has disrupted global supply chains, creating new challenges for logistics companies like FDX. And let's not forget about the potential economic impacts of the pandemic, which could affect consumer spending habits and, in turn, FDX's revenue. Furthermore, FDX is also facing challenges in the market trends department. With the growing demand for sustainability and eco-friendliness, the company is under pressure to reduce its carbon footprint and implement more environmentally friendly practices. This could require significant investments and changes to its operations, which could be a challenge for the company. Another trend that FDX is dealing with is the shift towards same-day and next-day delivery, which requires significant investments in infrastructure and technology. FDX is also heavily reliant on fuel, which can be a significant expense. With the rise of electric and hybrid vehicles, the company may need to adapt its fleet to reduce its dependence on fossil fuels and meet increasingly stringent emissions regulations. All these challenges combined create a complex landscape that FDX must navigate to stay successful. On the other hand, FDX has a solid business strategy in place, which has helped the company to stay ahead of the curve. The company's focus on e-commerce and its partnership with major retailers like Walmart and Target have helped it to capitalize on the growing demand for online shopping. Additionally, FDX's recent earnings reports have shown promise, with revenue and profit growth exceeding expectations. Analysts are also predicting a strong future for FDX, citing its ability to adapt to changing market conditions and its commitment to investing in new technologies. With its strong brand and extensive network, FDX is well positioned to take advantage of emerging trends like autonomous delivery and drone transportation. One key insight that I think is important to highlight is the company's focus on innovation. FDX has been investing heavily in new technologies, including artificial intelligence and machine learning, to improve its operations and reduce costs. I believe that this focus on innovation will be a major driver of FDX's future success and could potentially lead to significant growth in the company's stock price. Based on my analysis, I predict that FDX stock will continue to trend upwards, driven by the company's strong business strategy and its commitment to innovation. However, it's important to remember that the logistics industry is highly competitive, and FDX will need to stay ahead of the curve to maintain its market share. I also believe that the company's ability to adapt to changing market conditions and its focus on sustainability will be key drivers of its future success. In conclusion, FDX is a company that is well positioned for future success, but it will need to navigate a complex landscape of challenges and opportunities to get there. By understanding the company's business strategy, recent earnings reports, and analyst predictions, we can gain a better understanding of what the future might hold for FDX stock. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on FDX stock in the comments below. If you're looking for more financial insights and analysis, be sure to check out my other videos.